Good morning, students. In last class, we have done exercise first, and we have seen the formula for the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. That was 4 multiply side length of one side length of one side, that is given by 4 multiply L. And we have seen also the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of rectangle, that has been given by 2L plus B, where L is length, B is the breadth of rectangle. Now moving on next topic. What is the next topic given in our book is C, rules for arithmetic. Now rules for arithmetic. This is our next topic. In chapter 2, whole number, we have studied many rules like commutative, associative, distributive. So here third is commutative of addition. What? Third rule. Rule number 3. The third, commutative addition of two numbers. See what one words come commutating. C-O-M-M-U-T. Commutating means interchanging of number. What means by commutating? Interchanging of number. So in the case of addition, first what we are seeing here, addition. Commutating means interchanging the number. What? Interchanging the numbers. Now listen here. Suppose I have taken 3 plus 4, that is 7. Suppose here first I have taken 3 letters A and 4 as B. So here A plus B equals to 7. Now suppose now I am taking 4 plus 3. This will also give same 7. But here what we have taken, B 4, that is B, and 3 is A. So B plus A, that is also 7. So A plus B, B plus A, both are equal. When this condition is satisfied, then we say that the two numbers are commutative over addition. What? Commutative over addition. Now moving on multiplication, we will see same condition is satisfied. Now moving for the addition, multiplication. Next is for multiplication. Suppose A equals to 5, B equals to 7 I have taken. Now A multiply B, that is 5 multiply 7, that has been 35. And B multiply A, 7 multiply 5, that is also 35. See what we are saying here, when we are interchanging the number, when we are interchanging the place of number, the result is same here. So when result is same by interchanging the place of number, then in that case the property holds is commutative. What? With for two number Fourth number, property is commutative property. So commutative property holds for the addition and multiplication of two numbers, but it does not hold, means it does not commutative over in the case of division and subtraction.